LandVac ticks all the boxes. With its U value, the best in the world of 0.34, 25 years warranty, toughened glass is standard. Very difficult to see the little spacers here, the micro spacers, but we have 8 times less spacers than any of our competitors. LandVac VIG is actually a game changer if you really think about it. In the future, and I can see this happening, that all the profile manufacturers will hopefully change their profile to suit LandVac. There will be no need for double or triple glazing anymore. You would have a 25 years warranty. This means not changing your glass every few years when it breaks down. So it's really energy efficient and energy friendly and green.
In our region, the way we look at glass is changing, and it's changing quite rapidly. People want to have buildings that use less energy, but they also want to have products with a lower carbon footprint. So insulating performance is important, but sustainability is becoming equally as important at the same time. And this is creating a challenge for window and facade manufacturers. They need glass that insulates extremely well, that fits into slim or even existing window frames, and that reduces the environmental impact of a project. And this is exactly where LandVac vacuum insulating glass comes in and also stands out. LandVac delivers better insulating than triple glazing, yet at the same time it's much thinner than standard double glazing, and because it is so thin, it uses around 30% less material, which directly reduces its carbon footprint. The vacuum structure also gives LandVac a longer lifespan than traditional insulating glass, so the product remains efficient for many years. And for the building industry, these advantages are very practical. The thin design makes installation easier and often possible into existing window frames. And inside the building, the inner glass stays much warmer because of the low U value, the high insulating value, so the space feels more comfortable and there is no cold draft effect anymore. And thanks to the vacuum layer, LandVac also gives an excellent sound insulation, which is very useful in our busy and crowded cities.
Depuis plusieurs années, nous constatons en France une évolution profonde du marché de la fenêtre et de la rénovation. Les attentes ont changé, particuliers, architectes, collectivités recherchent désormais des solutions thermiques réellement efficaces, autant pour moderniser l'existant que pour conserver des bâtiments plus performants et respectueux de l'environnement. Cette tendance est portée par des enjeux très concrets, des enjeux pour faire des économies d'énergie, gagner en confort et contribuer à réduire l'empreinte carbone des bâtiments. C'est donc dans ce contexte que la technologie LandVac prend tout son sens. C'est grâce à sa finesse, son isolation exceptionnelle et sa capacité à s'intégrer dans les menuiseries existantes sans les dénaturer que Avelia apporte une solution unique qui répond à ses besoins, tout en ouvrant de nouvelles possibilités pour le patrimoine comme pour la construction neuve. Donc aujourd'hui, nous observons une croissance rapide de cette technologie sur le territoire français, preuve de sa pertinence et de l'intérêt qu'elle suscite. Nous sommes donc fiers de représenter LandVac en France, d'accompagner nos partenaires et de participer activement à cette transformation du marché. Merci.
Hello. My name is Andrew and I represent Vacuum Glazing UK Limited. We are the exclusive UK agents for LandVac Vacuum Glazing. Within the UK, we operate a carefully structured distribution model, working with 6 regional partner companies. This approach allows us to bulk orders efficiently while providing strong local support, technical expertise and customer service across the country. I personally have worked with Vacuum Glazing for over 10 years and with LandVac specifically since 2019. During that time, we've seen significant growth in the UK market, particularly in heritage buildings and retrofit projects. LandVac's ultra-slim profile and exceptional thermal performance make it an ideal solution for cold, drafty heritage properties, allowing performance upgrades without compromising the original appearance of the historic windows and doors. We work closely with architects, designers and specifiers throughout the UK, supporting the integration of LandVac as a long-term solution to heat loss, excessive maintenance costs and acoustic challenges. As a result, LandVac has been specified in a wide range of important projects, including hotels, university buildings, public housing schemes and many private residences. More recently, we're seeing strong adoption of LandVac in modern construction. This includes integration into new window systems to achieve high performance with a traditional aesthetic, as well as applications within wall and roof structures to enable larger, more expansive living spaces. With the introduction of the UK's Future Home Standard, the construction industry is being pushed to rethink materials and building performance, and LandVac clearly stands apart in addressing these challenges. Having worked in the vacuum glazing sector through its early development and into today's third generation products, we understand both the potential but also the limitations of what's available on the market. In my view, LandVac is quite clearly the leading solution. The team at Langlass demonstrates a commitment to quality, testing and technical innovation that is unmatched. Their products don't just deliver outstanding performance and long warranties, they are backed by robust data and reliable testing from day one. In a fast-moving and highly technical market, that level of trust is essential.